Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a CCS enrolment for a provider eligible arrangement known as a PEA. To do this, you can go to the Child's Details page and then click on the Enrolments tab. You're then going to click here to add a new CCS enrolment. Select the service approval and you're going to select the arrangement type, provider eligible arrangement. There are two reasons for a P to be created. One is if the service is not able to identify a CCS eligible carer. This means they are a part of the department, state or territory, or the guardian linked to the child is currently not an eligible guardian for CCS. If the child and guardian fits this criteria, you will need to seek advice from the Department of Education and Training before you use this reason for this enrolment type. It is imperative that you have been advised to use this enrolment type before creating it. Just like all enrolments in Kidsoft, you would select the session indicator, whether it's a routine, casual, or both, the start date of the enrolment, and for this type of enrolment, you must enter in an end date. This type of enrolment, using this reason, does not need an expiry or a certain amount of weeks. If the session indicator is routine or both, you would then need to create the routine bookings for that enrolment. The other reason for a P enrolment type is for a child in formal foster or kindship care. If this reason is selected, the end date must be up to a maximum of 13 weeks. This reason is used for when a foster carer has still need to be assessed for childcare subsidy at Centrelink. They will have up to the maximum of 13 weeks to complete this process. Once this process has been completed and they have CCS entitlements, this enrolment type will need to be ended and a CWA will need to be then created for the child. If you require any further information on the new provider eligible arrangement enrolment type, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.